Hey everyone, my name is Elisa Covington, and today I'm bringing to you this super weird house flip under construction. It's only been a month, but we've made so much progress, and I was having a hard time recognizing the space, so you're going to be surprised. We haven't really done much on the front yard because we usually leave landscaping till the very end so it can be pristine when we put the house on the market. But the interior, on the other hand, has gone through so much. So from the entryway, you can tell that we removed the panel on the ceiling, on the walls, the double baseboards, and the floor covering as well. So the whole space feels a lot bigger than before. And on the living room, also the same thing. All the paneling has gone from the ceiling to the walls, and the beautiful beams are now exposed. So you can tell some of the Craftsman style features, which is really nice. Over here, we removed the shelves on the sides of the fireplace, and then we realized that the fireplace chimney has been cut by the previous owner. So we are going to actually frame the fireplace up and then put some new shelvings on the two sides, so it becomes kind of a focal point, but a little bit different. On the flooring, we are going to use new hardwood floors. And in this dining room, it's pretty much the same thing. The beams are exposed, and we removed all the paneled wall that was covering up the window. Over here is the dramatic change where we took out the whole wall that was separating the kitchen and the dining room, and now this flow is so much better. In the kitchen, because this wall is gone and the doorway going to the hallway is enclosed, we have a ton of space to put in new cabinets, countertops. We're working on electrical and plumbing right now, but I think this new kitchen will be a lot more functional and also a lot bigger than before. In the hallway, we took out a closet, so it's a lot wider and more spacious. We've also redone the texture on the walls, so it's very smooth. A lot of people have asked me how I can design the scope of work and manage a very complicated renovation project like this. It took a lot of practice. On my first project, it was such a mess and I made so many mistakes. But over the last 7 years, I've gained so much experience, and now I can do it very confidently. But the good news is you don't have to go through all the detour that I've gone through, and you don't have to make all the mistakes that I've made, because you can join my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy, where I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them mitigate the risks in the business. A lot of our students have already finished their first couple projects and made a six-figure income. So don't wait any longer. Schedule a call with us today at transformflipperacademy.com. The first bedroom in the house had an entrance from the front entrance, but we closed it off and redid the texture, so now you can't even tell that there was a door before. And on this side, we also retextured so that you can't see the door that was going into the hallway bathroom before. Of course, the wallpaper was removed, and we're just going to put a ceiling light in there, repaint the walls, replace the window, and refinish the floors. The other bedroom that was kind of a room inside of a room is now very different too. There was a window and a door before that are closed off, and we added a small closet into the new addition area, so this room has a closet now. And the window is also brought down a little bit so it meets egress. So in here, we're also going to put a ceiling light, repaint the walls, the baseboards, and also put in new flooring. The guest bathroom has such a makeover that I was having a hard time remembering where everything was. We had the shower towards the entrance, and then some empty space, and then a toilet right in front of the door, and a tiny sink. Now the layout has been shifted completely with a tub at the very end, and then some space for new shelving, and then toilet on this side, and then a sink towards the entrance. The layout makes so much more sense. The primary bedroom was long and narrow before. We took the longer side to add a new bathroom in there that I'm going to show you right away. But in the room here, we took out the closet that was on this wall and made the room a weird shape. So now it's more of a square shape and it's more usable. We also took out the paneled ceiling and redid the wall texture. We're going to still replace the window and put in new flooring. In this new primary bathroom, it's really huge. We have a large oversized shower in the end, and then a toilet, and then a double vanity, which is going to be such a desirable feature in this bathroom. And then on the side, we actually added a large walk-in closet. That was the addition that didn't make any sense before, so now we utilize the space to make it a really nice feature for this primary bedroom. Off of the kitchen was the laundry room that had very low ceiling and exterior walls, but we relocated the laundry to the back of this space where the legal addition was. So we can use this new space as kind of a sunroom, but also like a covered porch. So this is the new laundry space that's utilizing the addition in the back that was very unsightly before, and also the half bath that was very illegal. The colorful and hideous shed was taken down, and we've gained a lot of backyard space and also more natural light into the house. There's so much concrete in the backyard, and we are thinking about removing part of this so we can put in some entertainment, some sod potentially, and make it more family friendly. If this under construction tour is intriguing to you, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You really don't want to miss out when this whole project is all done in a couple of months. So I can't wait to show you the whole finished product. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And the whole space feels a lot bigger. I actually think, I think I should go from. On the flooring, we're going to use some hardwood floors to Now I feel a lot more confident and sorry.